Hey everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be doing the verify setup on a Cell2Jack. So all it does is you enter a little pin and it makes your home phone ring. It's not a real phone number, it's just to confirm that the signal from your Cell2Jack is being passed to your home phone. So in this video, the code is 89 pound. So you're going to do speakerphone 89 pound and it's going to ring. But as you can see I have my phone here, it's not going to ring. It's not going to have like an incoming call. It's just to demonstrate that the phones work. So it's really quick and easy. So before we get started, hi to anyone new here, my name is Alex and I do helpful technology videos. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it would help my channel grow. Thank you. So I'm going to insert the number right here on the bottom left corner. This number, this verify setup is 89 pound, so 89 pound. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up a handset. So you pick up any phone and it's going to ring. So, and then you're going to hang up. So speakerphone 89 pound. You heard that chime, so hang up. And as you can see, your home phones are ringing. So it's just to make sure that it's working right. As you can see, the base is working. And my phone's not dialing a number. So if I click on speakerphone, it's just to demonstrate. So if I click speakerphone now, as you can see, it's working. So this is a quick little video to demonstrate the verify setup on a Cell2Jack. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.